Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Nuke With Me, the cooking show where everything is prepared in the microwave. I'm your host, Marlon Webb. Come with me on this journey as we make so many fun things in the microwave. And make sure you take notes because you can really make these things at home. Follow along as we make steak and mashed potatoes. Let's start with the ingredients, shall we? So first off,
Jesus. And action.
so far? So here are our ingredients for steak and mashed potatoes. Potatoes, butter, sour cream, water, salt, and just for fun, bacon bits. And we got everything but the steak.
Everybody hold.
Il y aura toujours un du terre de rengaine au fond d'une cour sur les bords de la Seine. Un refrain qui conjugue l'amour et puis les...
Oh,
That's plant-based. The steak is plant-based.
Oh, look at you trying to be all chill. Hey there, Mr. Big Shot.
shut up.
Marlon, buddy,
I'm fine.
are you talking to the steak?
Never better.
We'll see about that.
Move on with the show.
We're gonna take the potato peeler and peel the skin off the potato. Next, we're gonna cut the potato into 1/2-inch cubes. We're gonna take our potatoes and put them in this microwave-safe bowl. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup of water and put it in the microwave for 6 minutes on 100% power. And if you're a hungry hippo, you can put extra.
Wait. We're not getting any audio from the boom mic.
What do you mean we're not getting audio?
Has it been up this whole time? I don't understand. What's wrong with the boom mic?
Eggplant? It's a penis emoji.
Why did you do this? Where were you going with this idea?
You're a funny guy, Todd.
Stand-up special coming soon.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I bet you're furious. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Okay. We're gonna take the potato bowl out of the microwave now. You wanna take your bowl and drain it. See how tender these potatoes are? That seems pretty tender to me. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for a little bite. 1 teaspoon of butter and 1/2 teaspoon of sour cream. We're going to mash it up.
What's up? No, I'm completely free right now. What? You're fucking pregnant? Why do you know? No, I can't talk right now. Oh, your mom's fucking crazy.
Whoa.
Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna be a fucking dad.
Is Todd f***ing your mom? Why are you okay with this?
He's a part of the Big Brother program.
He's stupid, dumb. He's gonna ruin everything. Do something.
Okay. Todd, I know you're doing the best that you can. I'm trying to get the word out how people can make gourmet meals in a microwave and you're fucking that up.
I used a condom.
I'm trying to stay calm, okay? But you're really pushing me to the edge. I'm trying not to come over there and...
Marlon, a little request. Why don't you throw a few key words in there for YouTube?
No.
You're doing good.
Moving on to the steak, we are going to microwave the skillet for about 3 minutes on high. That way the steak can simmer when we put it back on the skillet.
Marlon, you're doing great. Make sure we integrate some YouTube challenges to get the kids involved.
Can I just make the mother steak, fam?
We want to get the kids involved.
Seriously, shut the
I'm trying to help you. Careful, it's hot, buddy.
Now, we're gonna lightly butter both sides of the steak before putting it back in the skillet. Ooh. It's working. And then you're gonna cover it with paper towel. and then put it back in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds, maximum power. Did it again!
Careful, it's hot.
Where the hell did you get a guitar?
Your mom gave it to me. She gives me presents. Because I give her dick.
Sorry, that was me.
It's freak out time!
What the? I'm giving you a chance! Please, take this shit seriously! You need to think of life seriously! That's why you're doing so bad!
Oh no, I'm done!
And action.
Okay. Boom. Add some butter to the skillet and mix it a little bit with the steak juice. Pour that onto the steak like that. With some extra juice. And bam. Mmm. And there it is. Oh my God. Oh, this is actually not bad. I'm not kidding. Oh my God. What'd I do? What'd I do? I f***ed around and made a dish. I f***ed around and made a dish. Mmm.
Beauty shots? Beauty shots? Let's get some beauty shots. Get some sexiness in there.
Let it wobble, let it wiggle, let it wiggle. Make that ass double dribble, baby, turn it up a little, and shake that ass like a.
There you go. Yeah, make that ass jiggle. That's some sexiness. That's how you get views, baby boy. If I wasn't married, I'm not, so I can.
Hey guys, check out the link in the description below for today's recipe. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn post notifications on so you know every time we post a new episode. And if you guys like the food, make sure you like and comment what you like about the food in the comments. If you guys like eating food in general, make sure you comment in the comment section what you like about food. And if you guys like salt, make sure you leave a like if you like salt. I don't know what to say next. Oh, okay. And if we get to 17 likes, I will take my shirt off.